Make sure I'm live right now. Okay, we are live, baby. Just mute you and then I'll do my breakdown, or I won't.
You can mute me.
Okay, welcome everyone. Today is October 7th, Friday, NFP Friday. We have NFP here in an hour. Let's open up the news to start off. Um, okay, as we can see, we have unemployment rates, average hourly earnings, and then NFP and unemployment rate. So we have a lot of news here. Biggest day of the month for us traders, gold traders or USD traders at least. Take a look at gold on the monthly. So similar position to where we were yesterday. We had come up all this way on the month. Now we had started to retrace down back to this support. On the weekly, we can see we're still very bullish. Um, we had reached this resistance up here where we had come up to a few weeks ago, rejected pretty harshly on Wednesday. Now we're coming down. On the daily, we can see Wednesday we closed bearish, and then Thursday, as we had anticipated, a bearish candle, and then to come fill this wick. Now we're still at the same range we were yesterday. So we are anticipating sells here today on the daily to come down to these lows, which are basically 100 pips away. Look on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, this 4 hour has broken the lows and the highs, so no clear direction of where we're going. Clearly have some type of support here, some resistance here on the hourly. Yeah, guys, on the hourly, we can see there's a pretty big range right now. Um, we've been in this range for 24 hours. This is what we usually see before NFP, just ranging. Makes sense. The big institutions don't want to place big bets before knowing what the results of the news is. So that's why we're seeing ranging. We came up an hour ago, broke the highs, and then came down and broke the lows out of the range, but we're still closing back within the range. So as the bias is bearish, we can take sells here. And then for buys, maybe we can find a lower zone around here. But definitely no buys above this range. So this is a range one breakout, no trade. This is sells below closure. And this always all depends on how candles are closing. But this is pretty much what we're looking for here today. That's it for gold. Now let's look at GJ. GJ on the monthly, we remember we had grabbed all this liquidity, broke out of this range, broke into the next range, broke out of the next range, then came all the way back up. So we can see the strong bullish momentum. This was all news moves. First with the tax cuts, which made the pound drop. Less money moving around in the economy, and then they went back on that. So we retraced the whole move, and now we're kind of just ranging. We have some strong support here on the daily. Okay, let's look at the hourly. On the hourly, we're creating support around here and resistance up here that we just broken out of. The last hour closed bearish, and it looks like we're coming back down in this range. So considering how the two last days closed bearish, we are still bearish for today. So we would be expecting to see let me draw this out. A fake out. I mean, this is the same move that's been happening literally every single day this week on both pairs. been ranging, staked out to the upside, and then continued down. Obviously, even though it's not affected by the dollar because of the yen and how globalized the world is and how intertwined economies are, obviously NFP will have an effect on the risk on, risk off currencies. For buys, it will probably have to be above here, potential buys, and then down here, sells below. And then here's just the no trade range. Maybe even a sell below. We close back within this range. Okay, so that's it. We have news here in is it not? Load my. Anyway, we have news here in 1 hour basically. So we're not gonna really do anything till then. I'm here today with a dear friend, your brother. I don't know. Identify him as um unmutable. Allow participants. Okay, so he has to unmute himself. Yeah. So if you want to unmute yourself, you can. But guys, that's basically what we're looking at here on the ranges. I mean, gold seems to be moving down somewhat. But we have to ask ourselves is if gold is moving down before the news, where's the news gonna go? Guys, we know that institutions always want the best prices. Um, so it would not make sense for gold to come down. If this was just a regular Friday, this would be a pretty nice trade here. Because of the news, we're definitely waiting another, basically another hour here. We have New York open here in 20 minutes. So let's check what they're expecting. So for unemployment rate, they're expecting the same. So pretty neutral. NFP, they're expecting bad numbers. Less people have been employed than last month. Um, look at the last 5 NFPs in a row. They expected, they maybe it's on purpose. They forecasted bad numbers and then got good numbers. So let's see how September 2nd, how gold reacted when that happened. Guys, welcome to the stream. Feel free to leave a like, a comment. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Gladly answer any questions you have. Where is my Streamlab? Okay. Guys, I might change the channel name. I feel like 3 words, elite mentality trading, is a bit too long and too hard for people to remember. I don't know if anyone has any ideas, let me. But yeah, nothing really happening at all right now. Just ranging, waiting here for New York opening. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, let's see what Bloomberg's saying today. You know, as we do every morning, as other traders and banks and financial people who work in finance arrive at their desk in the U.S. right now. You know, they're going to open up the new Reuters, Bloomberg, whatever it is, and see kind of what's happening. Biden says Putin threats real, could spark nuclear. Yeah, I keep seeing this word. I have no idea what that means. Armag. Yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna embarrass myself here. President, na na na. We're trying to figure out a bunch of nothing. US future. What we want. US equity index futures were all between gains and loss. And wait, the payrolls report for clue on monetary policy. So essentially, they're looking at depending on if the numbers are bad or good. If the numbers are really good, they might be inclined to tighten uh, the interest rates even higher, and then if the numbers are low, they might ease down here till the end of the year. But that's what I heard about. Okay, let's go back to our charts here. 15 minutes here till the York opening. I see there's people in the chat here. Feel free to say hi. So, during the Zoom call, feel free to ask questions. Right. Sorry. Got some water here. If someone's in the chat, Jonas or I don't know, you let me know how my audio sounds. If you're in the Zoom call and you want to speak, you just have to unmute. Okay, guys, 15 minutes here till the opening. Same thing on the dollar here. We've been ranging. The dollar has been moving bullish the last 2 days. The dollar has been moving bullish, anticipating bad news so it can drop, get a better price. I'll have to see. And on smaller time frames, we're really just ranging here. But anyways, we're not gonna do anything, guys, until until NFP here in 30 minutes. So if you have any, if you guys have any pairs you'd want me to look at or any charts you want me to analyze, please let me know. We're looking at everything Friday here. We're having fun. We're excited for the weekend. Feel free to leave a like, comment if you're in the stream. Guys, if I get enough, we said okay, so there's a few things we do every day on the stream. We do one push-up minimum for each hip that we lose, and we are so yeah, one push-up for every pip we lose, and then we get 10 viewers. I will sing a song, and whatever else you guys want me to. Yes, one push-up for one or two, depending how many we lose. If we lose a lot, maybe I have to punish myself and do double the amount of push-ups. Went to the gym this morning, did some back. Good, you know. You've been following. I injured my back a week or two ago. Really hurting, but we're back to good. Felt good to train it a bit more. Guys, there's nothing I can recommend more than starting your day with a workout. Helps clear the mind. Go on a little walk. Workout and fasting. If you guys have never tried fasting, I would recommend fasting. Helps you sleep better. Helps you wake up easier. Not tired all day. You guys know me in real life. Energy bomb. On the stream, it's a bit harder because I'm not used to speaking to essentially speaking to a camera. I'm speaking to no one, and there's kind of no one in these lives. So I'm just kind of ranting at myself for 2 hours. Guys, once we get more viewers, we're gonna get some people who work in the financial industry to come on this stream, give us some insights. But for the moment, it's just us. If you haven't already subscribed, the goal is to hit 10 subscribers this week. We're at 9 subscribers. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Easy, easy money. Maybe the more stupid stuff I do, the more viral I go. Maybe the more money I lose, or the more money I more viral. Hey guys, there's 10 minutes here to the opening. Hello, Dax. I want some fast money. Guys, that's all we do on this page. We give everyone fast money, unlimited money. Guys, we can turn $100 into 10,000. 2 weeks, 10 weeks, 10 days. Your meeting will end 10 minutes. Oh, we don't want this, guys. We're gonna have to upgrade Zoom. $10 a month. How they get you, huh? Fine, I'll do it. I'll do it, guys. I'll do it because we're here to create the best live streams that you've ever seen. Yes, this was a joke. This was a joke. We do not know how to flip $100. Okay. This is a joke. A joke. Guys, if money would be easy to get, everyone would be rich. If everyone was rich, money wouldn't have value. So, wait a minute, guys. I'm trying to upgrade the Zoom because kind of hit me with the ultimatum. They're gonna turn off the Zoom here in 5 minutes. Like, either we turn your shit off, either you buy. Fuck, man. You do that with other things. No, I'm joking, guys. I have nothing to sell you. Absolutely zero nada to sell you. Everything we do here is for free for the moment. Well, we have 4 viewers right now. Our peak ever is 5. We can break our peak today. That would be the best present I could ever ask for on a Friday here. Guys, it's NFP today. We have news coming. The markets are gonna go fucking crazy. Boom, boom, boom. I want to see some action. Oh, we just lost half our viewers. Is this something I said? What is it, guys? Is it what? Trying to be more energetic, I feel like. Otherwise, people just come, they get bored, and they leave. Guys, 6 minutes here to the opening, 6 minutes to they terminate my Zoom. What is happening? And now I'm in this stupid Zoom set purchasing stuff, and I have no idea what I'm. 10 why would I want 10 licenses? You know when you email people asking for information, they answer with like the opposite, or not the opposite, but just nothing. Invalid the business plus plan. I don't want business plan. I don't know what I want. Tell me what you want. I want time remaining. Oh, upgrade to pro. Like a timeline to when it supports 100 participants. Utilisation personnelle. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Connecté, on a déjà un compte, nanana. Elite, mentor, trading. Guys, 4 minutes here. Guys, we trade with a small pistol. We only have a couple shots to take per day. So take any stupid trades because we only have a few trades to take. And why would we waste them on stupid trades? Um. Okay, so I can see no one's in the live besides me. We have one viewer, but must have said something that pissed everyone off. Guys, if you end up, what's your biggest motivation? Oh, my biggest motivation is providing for both family and just the people around me. Um, obviously, financially, that's one of my biggest motivations. To be financially free, as they say. And eventually, I want to. What's your biggest? My biggest motivation is to improve every day and to see where that leads me. I have no idea where it's gonna lead me, but my biggest motivation is to keep pushing it. Some shit happens, something good. I can help out other people. Leave the world a better place than where where I was born in. Even though I was born in a pretty good place. My biggest inspiration is obviously dad. I think your dad is now your biggest inspiration, or at least one of them. Best. Um, my biggest inspiration. I don't know. For trading, it's definitely Raja Banks, guys. If you don't know Raja Banks, I'm not gonna share you his profile because then you'll go watch him and not me. But he's my biggest trading inspiration. And then I'm inspired by anyone who tries to do better for them. So I'm inspired by a lot of people. Thank you for those questions. Amazing question. Yeah, who's my inspiration? Yeah, I'm inspired honestly by anyone who tries to do better for themselves and for the world. And yeah, I like to take matters in my. I like people who do that too. And okay, guys, 1 minute here till the opening. I have 1 minute till the Zoom ends. I have to buy this thing. Vous avons envoyé un email. Nana. Ooh, maybe we should have a viewer of the week. Viewer of the week this week. Well, we'll see by the end of the stream, but I think it's gonna be this good man that I don't know who he is. Jonas Schwegler. Amazing, amazing. Amazing support from Jonas Schwegler. Incredible. If the whole world could be like Jonas, the whole world would be a better place. Elite mentality trading. Okay, guys, we have New York Open right here. 30 minutes till news. This 30-minute candle closed bullish within this range. Even if there wasn't news, there's no trade to take right now. Guys, look on the 1 minute, look on every time frame. Every time we come down, we just bounce back up, bounce back up, bounce back up, bounce back. You have to be ballsy and risky if you like to take trades now before the news. GJ is closing. Voila. My free meeting. Setting. Setting. Password. Ability. Create the pro. You guys hear me when I whisper? If you want, I can do a different voice, but I don't want to lose. And speed. Yeah. Guys, I get irritated really quickly from technology. There's just like there's some shit just pissing me off, man. Like you would think they make it easy. Nah, gee. Let's complicate your world. The world. Elite mentality trading. Finally, pricing. Business. 1,000 people. Okay, we're upgrading to pro. Doing it, guys. We're doing it. Hopefully, hopefully we can win a trade here so we can make back the money we just spent on. Country, Switzerland, mate. Guys, ask away your questions. Sorry, I'm a bit. Take my money, Zoom. Take my. Trust me. People in the guys, 3 viewers. If you have any questions, let me know. We're waiting for NFP here, so we're not taking any trades. If you want to take a trade now, it's at your own risk. Let's see how the markets are moving for NFP. Okay, European markets are somewhat bullish today. This 30 is also bullish slightly. Okay, yeah, we're pretty dead on the day. 4 viewers, guys. 4 viewers. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your aunts, tell your parents, everyone. Let's get 6 viewers on today. What are you saying? My country is eligible for currency selection? Guys, you would think they would make it easy, to buy a product. Tell me this in I want to sell this in pounds. Guys, we have 3 viewers. This is a beautiful day wherever you are. Hope you had a good week. Hope you have some beautiful things planned for the weekend. And I hope you learned something from the stream. If you didn't, that's okay. You come back next week, and then hopefully next week you'll learn something. Or ask more questions. More in the camera. What do they need my address? Why would Zoom yo? If I would just meet. Stupid shit. Do you want me to put your stream on a Reddit page? Ooh. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Thousands of people can come watch, guys. It's NFP. NFP. We're gonna be losing hundreds of dollars here. Okay, I'm just gonna start another free Zoom, and then I'm gonna write that in. Okay, guys. So the free Zoom will be coming on. Not the free Zoom. Paying Zoom. And the thing is, I actually need Zoom because I needed to do my annotations. It just means, well, when you're on your own, you can do it forever, but when you're with someone, it can. Okay, guys. 20 minutes here till NFP. If the heartbeats start increasing. Okay, let's see what happened last NFT. So last NFP on September 2nd, and it was better than expected. As we know, history often repeats itself, or at least When was it? September what? September 2nd. Is so we can see September 2nd we ranged, we closed below. This is last NFP which had positive numbers. So right before NFP we were making lows, and then on NFP we shot up, came all the way back, retraced, and then made our way up. I think last NFP actually I took some buys, was around here. You know, we waited for the storm to calm down. This, yeah, on this 15 around here I'd taken a buy. Okay, but so something similar is happening right now, right? We're in a range. We broke the highs, which brought us down, broke the lows, and then on NFP we shot up. Okay, so guys, remember this. Remember this right here. Range, break the highs, break the lows. Remember that. What do we see here on the bigger time? The same thing, just on a different time. Broke the highs, broke the lows. On NFP, we shot up. Did we see the same thing today? Maybe. Who knows, guys? Who knows? If anyone would like to say something, I see there's someone in this room. Want to introduce yourself? It was so cold today. I saw a stockbroker with his hands in his pocket. Ha ha ha! Great joke here. That was actually a pretty funny one. I don't know where you guys are in the world, but I'm actually fucking freezing. I had to put a radiator next to me today. Still on. That was a great joke. Maybe we also do funniest joke of the week. Do best question of. Okay, guys. 20 minutes here till news. We have comics open in 10 minutes. I would expect if price starts to drive down again for comics, I really expect buys. So maybe we can have buy stops around here or something on a smaller lot, of course. Risk some of this week's profits. Guys, I hope you have planned some amazing things this weekend. If you're new to the stream, feel free to leave a like. Feel free to leave a follow. You should leave a follow. You'll see what comes up on the screen. It's worth it just for that. Oh. Okay, how do we delete this? Guess they just stay there forever. Oh. Hey, I didn't do that. Damn, I thought it was an extra. Oh. Guys, feel free to leave a like, a comment. We have NFB here in 15 minutes. See if there's any news playing out. The Swiss thing. 5 things we need to know to start our day. We're already like way in our day, but jobs, yep, Biden. Guys, they don't want us to win. They're trying to share a link on pages. They're deleting them. Guys, they do not want us to win. When we're famous, when we're the most viewed trading live stream on YouTube, we can say, no, they didn't want it. They didn't want us to. No one wanted. Guys, it's Friday. We're having some fun here. I was hoping to have a special guest here. Works in the NFT space, but they're in the Zoom. But
Not paying enough for those informations.
oh, here he is. Here he is. Welcome, welcome. Give a round of applause.
Sad that I can't hear the visual or the audio effects, I should say.
Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know if you want to introduce yourself here to our two viewers.
So our two viewers, depends who they are. I'm gonna have to kill them if I share that information, you know? Nah, well, technically I'm elite mentality, but in any case, I do a little bit of NFT trading, and a very few NFT investments as well, but a lot of trading nowadays. And yeah, some crypto as well, but a lot of NFTs.
Do this on the daily. You hold them for a long time. How does
It depends. So there's projects that I have earmarked more for the long term. And so for those, I always try to keep a little bit of a bag for those pumps in case they ever come, or in case or when they come. And but like most things nowadays, I don't hold a full bag. I always try to trade a little bit, try to sell off at the peaks, and try to buy a bit more in the dips. And then especially I look at specific traits and stuff that do well. And then so depending on that, I try to actively trade around that as well. So I'm basically consistently buying and selling at all times for most collections that I trade. But then for some, I do keep a bag always, just in case.
I'd seen something like NFT volume was down like 90 or 95%. Guys,
So first of all, I'd love to know how they're gathering that information, because there's historically most people used to use marketplaces. And so for like Solana, for example, there's the Magic Eden marketplace that had 95% of the market basically for a long time. I think now they've dipped to 90 or a bit below. But lots of people were already trading P2P. So I wonder if those transactions actually count. But the official statistic that was making rounds was that we're at 3% of overall transaction volume from where we were in the peak last year. So I think there's large contributions of that. A big element is, of course, the bearish market that we have now in crypto and in most markets, and just that money is drying up, inflation and stuff as well, cutting into people's wallets. And then also within crypto and with NFTs, there's been 90% of projects are bad. So people are going to lose their money, and there was a lot of speculation. There still is a lot of speculation. So a decent amount of people lost their money like that. So that doesn't help in terms of the transaction volume. And then there's also just been large hacks, things like that as well. So very much in the beginning, I would say, of the space and where we're going. And most projects don't really offer that much good utilities that can actually make a difference in the world. But that's starting to creep up more and more now. And so I think right now is probably the time when there's a few alphas that are being created that we'll discover which ones they are in the next 10, 20 years. But I'm sure that there's a few projects right now working on things to position themselves correctly for the mass adoption if it does come. So if you believe in the space and you believe in the technology and what it can offer, then I think those are the projects that most people are looking at right now in order to get in the long-term war.
so the future is bright.
I think so, but it depends who you ask, because essentially what you're doing with blockchain technology is taking out the middleman, and you're passing those fees on to the creator of the collection. So that could be a dev team, for example, that's using that money to actively develop more and more tools and utilities. Or in some cases, it goes to the buyers or to just holders. So I think that the technology itself has a lot of potential. And then there's also things in terms of transparency on a public marketplace or on a public area where the data is all collected. So there's a lot of industries or parts of industries that can actually use those elements really well. So for like checking supply chains from the bottom to the top, it's actually very interesting because you can keep track of every single ingredient that you use in a dish, or you can keep track of every single material that you use and from where it's sourced, and that's all done transparently on the market or on the blockchain. So there's a lot of things that you can do, and there's lots of businesses that are trying to pivot themselves or to enter Web3. So there's a lot of learning curves around that as well. What's the best way to actually have a real life brand integrate into Web3, or what can they kind of do that makes sense for them? And there's a lot of things going on right now that we got to figure out in terms of safety and stuff like that, in terms of onboarding real life brands and onboarding real life customers as well. But we're very, very early. We're in the nascent period of the technology for sure. So that we're having a couple growing pains is completely normal. And it's going to take a couple of years to figure out, for people to basically to set up businesses to make money off all these elements. And there's a lot of people trying to fix those questions at the moment because they're big questions, and there's a lot of money to be made for the people who do it well. So that's kind of where people are trying to do at the moment. But yeah, I think there's potential for sure in the long run.
Nice, nice. Okay, guys, we have comics who just opened right here. We came a bit lower, now we're moving back up. So what we would want to see before NFP is for price to come lower, then start moving up, and then would be interested in buy stop. But for the moment, news is coming in 10 minutes here. Gold just ranging, the dollar is equally just ranging. We've come down here on the opening, meaning maybe the dollar is going to push up and go down. We cannot forget that the overall bias on gold is bearish. If we miss these buys, which price will probably just sells, price will probably just flow through there, so probably under here. We know normally we advocate for 15, 30 minute, 1 hour closures, but when there's high volume like this, you can take trades on the 5 minutes, or at least high trades shorter time frame, just to not miss out on the move. We have some predictions on the dollar. Elite, do you have some predictions on the dollar?
On just the dollar,
Yeah,
well, I think we're gonna probably keep
pushing.
appreciating slowly with the dollar. But the thing is, in response to that, OPEC is now also slightly reducing their production and things like that. So it'll be interesting to see if there's any policy decisions that are being made in order to get oil flowing from around the world.
Exactly, guys. We did a post about this morning, so check it out. Showed you guys my password. Twitter. Guys, we did a post on what's happening with oil right now this morning. Ah, anyways, that's unimportant. We have the news here in 5 minutes. Guys, as we said, if price is gonna go up, we'd probably want to see gold coming down, which like the way it's leaving this big wicks to the downside does tell me that I do. I mean, technically speaking, price should go down. The way prices added all these. Yeah, I do think they keep the dollar strong, or they're kind of royally fucked. Guys, we made a post this morning about what happened with prices of oil. You'll see this red or whatever. The mentality 8, or just look up elite trading, which is the same username on Instagram. Open does exist. Close this. Okay, okay, we're ready here, guys. 5 more minutes. Price seems. Where did when New York opened? It pushed up. They were. Yeah, the honest truth is we have no idea, so I'm not gonna make any gambles. You know, people like to buy stop, sell stop. I'm not close to putting one of them. I would never put both buys and sells. I think today they might try fuck over a lot of people and then manipulate the markets. You know, up, come down. Even if they don't and they move straight, that's okay. We'll wait for closures above zones, below zones. The trades like we usually. If you've lost money this week, recommend not trade NF. If you made some money and want to risk a bit of profit, then do as you wish. I don't even think anyone trades. If you do trade, you worry. So do NFT traders look at this? Probably, right, because of the dollar. Guessing traders care about them.
We care more about our currencies. So whatever currency you're looking at, whichever blockchain you trade.
Yeah, but they're all like ETH
Exactly. So if you want to check that, you can check USDT dot T, or is
D.
it dot D? Sorry, yeah. So this shows what the in crypto what the dominance of USDT is, and you can do the same for USDC. So basically, USDT and USDC um, are the largest stable coins. So they're kind of used to hold your money at when you're waiting to buy crypto. And then so this shows the dominance basically of USDT within the market. So if this now collapses and falls down, that means there's more risk on. So as you can see, with most charts, it's been looking the same, very similar, risk off, most people going into USDT, and the dominance of USDT against other cryptocurrencies is higher. But recently we've had, of course, a little reversal, like we're seeing with most markets.
Okay, guys, 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. I was looking at putting some buy stops. I don't like how it's moving up right now. If the if ooh, okay, we can start to see some spikes. Good price. In, anyways, guys, we know that spreads are starting to increase now. A lot of people are gonna get slipped. We're about to lose a lot of money. A lot of people are about to make a lot of guys, the way it's moving up right now tells me that we could be heading down. See that income. The dollar's falling, so the dollar could start rising. Gold should start dropping. Maybe we want to put a sell stop. Break the tips. Hey guys, we're gonna put a sell stop here. Just a one lot. Maybe two. 1709. Put a two lot below it. And the stops will be 17. Like slippage. So my hand will be on close button, ready to close. Hey guys, 2 seconds here. Ooh, yeah, we got slip. Okay, we're out. Break even. Holy. Hey guys, the direction is right. Maybe I can see first trade of the day, out at break even. And where did I get in? Got slipped 50 pips, guys. 50 pip slippage. Crazy move. You're expecting sells. Okay, now we'll just wait for a 5 minute closure if we can retrace, and then the next 5 minute, even if we close around here, the next 5 minute dropping. Dollar's gonna push. See what the numbers were. Okay, good numbers across the board, guys. This should keep moving for quite a bit here. Man, we got my entrance. That was some big slippage. Slipped like 45 bits. That's why you don't put big positions. You know, some people took sells here. Their palms are sweating, starting to get nervous. They're closing. Maybe now they're starting to buy. Guys, if this 5 minute closes below here, we're gonna have some nice sells. Now they're stressing. They should have closed. Maybe they're taking more sells. Guys, I know this because I used to be. I care about my health. You know, increase my heart rate. But I hope we learned here how we can anticipate these moves. If price, you know, starts moving up before the news, probably reverses. We've been saying all morning, every day. Institutions always want the best price. Always. If gold was gonna go up, why would they push, you know, 25 pips before the actual news? They wouldn't. That doesn't make sense. Okay, guys. By the way, this 1 minute sets. If this 1 minute closes bearish, pretty clear. Yeah, the way these are closing, it's pretty clear we're gonna retest these lows here. We're waiting for a 5 minute closure here in 2 minutes. And okay, they had some really good numbers. Okay, so guys, as we said, last 5 months in a row, they expecting bad and they go, oh, it is. Now you're stressing. Amazing. I'm pretty lucky I managed to get out at break even. We're pretty happy about how that played out. If I hadn't have gotten slipped, I mean that would have been really nice. Got slipped. So. Okay, guys, 5 minute closure coming in soon. By the way, this is moving. It looks like it could quickly correct. I mean, just re-grab more orders for moving further down. On the weekly, it looks like we're retracing to create that weekly wick. On the monthly, we're still bearish. So if we can flip bearish, patient with this 5 minute closes. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna wait a bit longer here. Price is not showing signs of continuing down. If you did take a trade, took a loss or something, trade anymore, not revenge trade. Guys, we just took a small position to not miss out. Our entry was supposed to be at 08 up here. Got entered right here. Okay, so now this 5 minute is looking pretty beautiful. This 5 minute flips bearish and closes here again. Below the zone. As soon as we close below the zone, 5 minute we'll look for sells. For buys, guys, remember it's range one. Not interest buys until here. Every time price breaks out, takes out, takes out, and here takes out. That's how you get caught in a bunch of losses. Guys, leave a comment in the chat if that was pretty clear how we broke that down. Dollar's move. Okay, dollar has not corrected the move. Dollar looks like pushing up, which tells me this could just be a manipulation on gold. Okay, exactly what we expected, guys. Waiting 3 more minutes here. Could move really quick, but guys, so this is essentially the exact same thing that happened on NFP. Okay, we have 3 minutes here. So you guys. Um, although last month it was a manipulation. Where's September? Guys, let's look on the 15 minute. Price came up. Let's look on the 5 minute. Price came up, came down, corrected the move, and then you didn't the way it had originally moved. Guys, institutions always want the best price. Sometimes it moves too quick. They maybe also go slipped. Or just because their orders are so big, it doesn't get filled. So they have to come back up, get their orders filled, and then they can move down a bit. Guys, I'm looking to take a trade here in 2 minutes. We're entering the last 20 minutes of the 4 hour candle, but when there's NFP, it's nothing really. Let's just hope we don't move too much here in the next 2 minutes. Oh man. Okay, my Zoom's gonna end in 10 minutes here. Start a new. Promise it'll be fixed by Monday. Okay, guys, 1 minute here. Hopefully, it doesn't move too much. By the way, this price is moving, 100% sure it's gonna come above 25 pip range. You can never be 100% sure, but I've seen this move countless times on you. Wait a bit. If this one can retrace a bit, that'd just be so amazing. Guys, how am I looking? Okay, 50 seconds here. I am gonna grab water. Oh, not retrace too much though. Looking nice. Ready. Okay. Guys, we need a closure below. And we need a top wick. Oh, closure below. Now we need a top wick here. Guys, it's been all week that we've had like countless chance of getting positions and it just moves without creating a top wick. We know statistically most candles have a top wick. It's the risk to reward is not good enough. Well, you can say it's like a micro top wick. Just come and create a top wick. Break it up. Uh, 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 uh. Worst case, guys, if we don't get this 5 minute candle, if the 15 minute closes here, it's the exact same move. It'll be even more confirmations. 15. I'm quite confident at some point we're going to retest these lows and move further. At some point today. Yeah, it's going to at least come down and those lows. Let's see, let's see. Guys, as we said, ooh, maybe GJ is even nicer here. I don't trade GJ as much, but the way it's been moving lately is just it's been moving pretty steamy. I don't know, seamlessly,
Seamlessly.
seamlessly, exactly.
And the word you were looking for before was Armageddon.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
It's like the end of the world.
Cool. Let's hope not. I live in a building which kind of secret information, but they supply water for most of the city, a big portion of the city. So they have tunnels that go down like hundreds of meters. So my strategy in case there's a nuke is I think I can be like a couple hundred meters underground and like, I have an escape plan. Okay, guys, the 5 minute is on the 1 minute, guys. Once you close below the support here, not 100% sure, but I'm willing to bet money. I'm willing to trade it. That 1 minute here to the 15 minute can. One gold. Guys, the dollar is still moving up. Okay, so let's see if curious to see if your USD deep. Oh, we have 1 minute and a half. Guys, that's too much time. I don't think gold's gonna wait for us. USD dot. So you guys like it when it goes up, right?
It depends if you're holding a lot of USDT. If it's going up, that means that USDT is gaining good dominance, so it's risk off. That means Ethereum is going down.
Okay. Damn, guys. Shows once again that everything just moves with the dollar. The dollar is still the world leading currency by long shots. Guys, this is about to pop down. I can. Guys, I knew it was not going to wait for us. I thought there was 30 seconds left, but a minute and 30. Guys, this was so obvious, this move. Now, there's no bottom way. Why they gotta do this to us? Pissed off now. Looking back at it, could I have maybe entered when the 5-minute retraced and then rebroke the lows? Well, the answer is yes, but we were waiting really for the 15-minute lows, which happened. But so, and now no bottom wick on it. I have to wait for the 4-hour close here. 9 a.m. But leave a like on the stream, guys. We broke this down perfectly. We said when it came up, we said it's probably going to do a fake out and then come back below. And then when it was around here, we said it was going to retest the low. So, yeah, you can for predicting it based on it. At least we didn't take buys, guys. When people started taking buys on. Guys, all we needed was a wick on this. Would have been this. Maybe wicks aren't valid when time moment. Okay, guys, today's just one of those days where it's a bit annoying because the trades playing out, we're just not. And there's still huge ranges to go down. Take more sells below here. 15 minutes. We have a new 4-hour candle. We have a new candle. And I also realized I say guys a lot. Till I get a comment from a girl, I'll probably just keep guys. Just I'm speaking. We're trying to reach 10 subscribers for today. If you haven't already, go subscribe. Elite Mentality Trading. We're live every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 30 minutes before open. 2, 3, 4 hours, depending on when trades come, you know? We have NYSC in 45 minutes. Guys, we still have Okay, guys, we're just waiting now. 10 more minutes till the candle closure. The day is long from finished, long from being finished. Um, we have NYSE in 45 minutes or in 40 minutes. Guys, we've predicted the moves perfectly. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take trades on them. We were in the initial sells like a small position that we got stopped at break even. We were trying to enter after on the guys. We were trying to enter on the 15-minute. We had no bottom wick or minuscule bottom wick. I mean, maybe next time we can write down that we can ignore that one, but no trades. But guys, do not worry. We have a lot more time here to take some trades. A lot more. Dollars pushing up further. The pound. Oh, guys, we're pissed off, man. We are pissed off. This trade was textbook trade. Only gold have had led us this wick. Guys, we predicted it perfectly. Price would come up, get a better price, and then reject again. When it came down here, we knew it was gonna come retest the lows, which it did, and then keep pushing through. I just didn't get the confirmations I needed to take that sell. I mean, if you look on the daily, started to quite a bit, but guys, we have a lot of range to come retrace. Clear candles to come fill. Hey, yo, gold, stop pushing, man. Guys, hopefully in 6 months' time, in a year's time, we'll be in these trades. For the moment, I'd rather play it safe. And look at this, 100 pips. We would have been rich by now. Swimming in money. 8 more minutes here to the candle closure. Let's see what Bloomberg's saying about this news. US employment report for September. Still solid job growth. We continue to see the current data environment providing little room for a Fed pivot to a lower pace of rate hike. So because the news is good, they're anticipating even stronger news next week. So because the news is good, they're expecting rate hikes on the dollar. And guys, if we know this, um, guys, we always know markets move on anticipation. Even if the news, the move, whatever is not true, the markets will move first, just in case. Bank institutions, investments firms, VCs, whatever it is, they want to get the moves no matter what. They don't want to miss on the opportunity to make profit. They will enter the move, even if they're unsure, even if there's a chance. Worst case, they get out, and best case scenario, the news comes through that they will increase rates. So here the news is that they're going to increase rates further, meaning a good push for gold. I mean for the dollar, and vice versa for speaking gibberish at this. And for gold's going to keep dropping. We're waiting here 6 minutes to a candle closure. If we close anywhere around here, looking good for sells. We have a question here. Sorry. I want to start trading, but do not know what to do. What's your advice for me? My advice would be Go on babypips.com. Baby pips. If you're really serious about trading, they have a free university. I don't know. Okay, yes, this do this free course, and if you show me that you've completed it and you're actually serious, then send me a DM on Instagram. Find the link in the about section of my YouTube. Go from there. Thank you for your comment, Lilian Zukovsky. I said I would stop saying guys when we have a girl in the comment. We have a girl in the comment. Now I say people. Um, I don't know. 5 minutes till closure. 5 minutes till closure. 30 minutes till NYSE open. So what usually happens, price starts to retrace. NYSE, they also want entries on this news. They don't want the sells down here, do they? No, they'd rather get them up here somewhere. But saying that, sometimes price. But if we look, let's see what it did the other day. Yeah, this is what I mean. It pushed for literally lost the. Could you make subtitles available by any chance, guys? Not guys. I think you have to have a certain amount of followers or viewers. Unless someone wants to write down word by word everything I say. Okay, but anyways, price came up at 3 for the news. Then what do we see for the new 4-hour candle? Retracement, push up, NYSE push down, get a better price, and then push up. And we can see from the 2 or 9 a.m. candle in the US, we had a further 100 pip move. So, not getting FOMO by seeing that. Well, we are getting. We're letting this drop, and we know that there could be another 100, 200, 300, 400 pips. Dollars retracing, we broke these highs. Now we're retracing a bit. Does not mean at all that the trend is changing. The trend is the exact same. If you're taking buys around here, you're stupid because maybe you're right, but in the long run, it's going to be hard to take profitable traders. We have 3 viewers. If we can get 6 viewers today, that would be an all-time high. Join in. Oh, I even see 4 here on the left. I'm not sure how accurate. When I look at you guys see 4 there, but then I see another number that says 3, so I never know which one's accurate. I guess we'll just go with the higher one. Thank you to the 4 people that are here. We also have a guest in Zoom here, sharing some beautiful information about cryptocurrencies. Guys, or people, I really feel amazing right now. Had a really nice work. I don't know if you guys, if other people also go to the gym where there's like personal trainers, and they obviously want clients. Um, the one at my gym are pretty awkward. They just stare at you, kind of, and most of them are really not actually fit. I feel like in life, if you have a mentor, at least this is how I see it. I have a mentor or whatever. Let's say in trading, For example, is this guy getting the results I want in trading? Guy trading with the capital I want? Is this guy showing me results? I've criteria like that, and then if the answer is yes, then I'd love to be your student. So it's the same in fitness. Guy doesn't have the body I want. Nothing happening at all. Let's see how the stocks. Yep, guys, stocks are going bearish here. Crypto's going bearish. Things bearish at the moment. I know a lot of crypto traders do not want to hear this, but from technical analysis, there's no other place that this crypto is going than down.
Bitcoin's done, but there's other ones that are more stable
Such
at the
as,
moment.
oh,
Well, XRP is kind of on its own narrative at the moment because of the legalities.
just
Well, most things
2 seconds,
obviously also reacting to this.
guys. We have a new 4-hour candle with a beautiful top wick. So we're gonna place some sell stops here at the break of the low. Our first target is, let's see where this line, 10 pips. We're gonna take it on the flip with the stops with not the current stops because it's too big, but like a 15-20 pip stop. They'll stop at 169 1697. Guys, this chart is my broker, so it gives me a more accurate feed that I actually want to take. So basically, and then I'll put the stops at 1690, so just under 20 pips. Guys, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. I got scared. There's no. They really do not make MT5 user friendly. I I thought that red line was my entry. Down here, we're getting close to it. Don't know why there's no line. But I'll let you guys know when I'm in. And the stop is entrance right there. On the 30, I mean on the 4-hour, on the hourly, everything is perfect for this flip. Technically speaking, you should use current candle highs. I think if price comes all the way back here, it's gonna come to the highs anyways. Okay, we're coming close to the entry here. Starts a bit off. Sorry, I'll just talk about how I have so much energy and now I'm yawning. 3 viewers. Okay. Maybe this is confusing to you guys. I'm not in this trade yet. I'll let you know when I am in the trade. You're taking the trade with me. Your own discretion. There's a high chance if this 30-minute flips, we get at least 10, 20, 30 pip projection. Yes, we like how these 1 minute candles are closing. See what the dollar's doing. Dollar's not. If we break its own highs, we might wait for a 15 minute. Uh, we'll talk about that when that happens. For the moment, it really looks like price wants to move bearish. Maybe we're quickly gonna come tap this initial push up here. See, let's see. Guys, if your heart beating is increasing, do not have to take this trade. Oh, let's get activated. Let you guys know, let you guys know. Oh, okay, we are in, guys. Alright. Stops are up here. Okay, 3 pips in profit. Guys, if this candle comes up and starts rejecting down, it should keep moving. At least this zone, and it should be further than that. Oh, 6 pips in profit. When we start breaking, breaking 5 minutes. When we start hitting this zone, I'm gonna start moving to stops to break even. Come back to I'm gonna look to close half if we come back to entrance. Minimize our risk. Okay. Looking pretty good. Let's just get one more push here. 8 pips, 10 pips. Okay, so I'm gonna move stops to entry. I haven't closed anything, but I want it to come back because we did hit 10 pips. Okay, guys, we closed 80% and we're leaving the rest run. We'll leave the rest run and we'll probably close at the bottom of the wick. Guys, those are 10 lots. Those 8 pips at 8 lots at 10 pips. Rest run. Amazing trade, guys. Amazing trade. Congratulations if you took it with me. Oh, guys, I'm doing a course right now on MT5. They have kind of these workshops. See up here. Once I'm a pro at MT5, I'll just buy. Oh, like we could just stop that break even. Oh yeah, we did. Hey guys, we got stopped out at break even. Out the full trade. Pretty nice trade. So in total we have eight pits. Um, we can easily look for another entry. Be open here in 20 minutes. Yeah, this is probably gonna keep moving, but okay. Friday here, we don't lose money. Um, Guys, normally you're supposed to put a bunch of W's in the chat. W W W W. Maybe I'll spam them myself. I'm not scared. W trade. W trade. Guys, the way this 5 minute closure, this is what I'm expecting to see. Like it's already kind of playing out. The break of the high could even come a bit further, and then we come back and break the low. Then once we break these lows, we're gonna. The only reason why this wouldn't work out is because of the current time. You know, we have 15 minutes YSC, so we might just wait for that and then push. Guys, I have people on the stream here. Let me know if that was a good trade. The reason we moved to break even so quickly is because if you flip bearish, really do not want to be reflipping bullish, because if you do, there's a high chance you come retest the high. What a nice trade, guys. Oh my god, 5 viewers. This is amazing. Amazing. This is equal, one of our equal best best for best, you know what I mean. Guys, we just took a winning trade here. 6 viewers. This is fucking amazing, guys. This is a record. This is all I could have asked for today. A winning trade and 6 viewers. Clapping to myself. This is truly amazing. Truly amazing. I mean, the only thing I could ask for is subscribers. We reached that all in one day. This could be one of the best ever. Guys, this is truly amazing. We just lost 2 viewers because I went on my fucking phone. What a retard. Oh, I don't. Anyways, 6 viewers, winning trade. Guys, I'm gonna use the money we made today to be able to afford YouTube Premium, and then nothing can stop us. We're gonna be unstoppable. We went down to 4 viewers. We're coming back up. We cannot be stopped, guys. We cannot be stopped. We took a winning trade here. We acknowledge that if price does not move down, it could quickly come up. So that's why, even though I said price could move 10, 20 pips, it would have done it quick if price wanted to move. I wanted to see candles like this, 20, 30, 40 pip candles. The way we were, the initial push was nice. Then we are slowly creeping down. We don't like that, guys. When we need volume, we need big moves. Please feel free to leave a like, a comment, anything you want. We have 6 viewers again. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. Well, I haven't had a smile like this in a minute. This is just beautiful. What's less beautiful is the way all these candles are retracing. This could just be the 4 hour top wick, and then could push down. Someone saying 7 viewers, these are lies. Do not believe what you see. We have 6 viewers. No, I'm joking. If we had 7, I missed it. That's a problem. We're happy. By the way, price is setting up. It looks like that could have been our last trade. 15-minute candle right now. We have NYSC in 15 minutes. This is what I've been talking about before. You guys remember? Do it one more time. New viewers. September 2nd, which was the last NFP. Right. Let's see what happened. We know history often repeats itself. Let's look at last week. Last time there was NFP. Price came up. And then what did it do right before or during NYSC? No. This is exactly the same thing. The 4 hour closed, it pushed, it started retracing right on NYSC. 10 minutes in, started pushing. We know history often repeats itself. What are we seeing here? I would be surprised if we retrace the whole move and start moving bullish. I really think we are going to keep moving bearish today. I mean, this was really good news. Let's see how the markets absorb that. Once again, I want to say thank you for everyone who came here. If you have a question, any chart, anything you want to see, anything you want to, I will answer everything. Right to it. Okay, just 12 minutes to wait here. Nothing's happening at all. We were irritated in the start when this 5 minute came down and closed without a bottom weight because we knew price was going to continue more. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to get an entry. Stayed patient. We acknowledged that on the new 4 hour could get some positions. It happened perfectly. The daily looks like it's rejecting pretty harshly at the moment. I mean, what you can expect to see, even if it does close around here, is on Monday, Tuesday. Price opens up here, creates the top wick, and then starts moving down. Um, let me try find an example of this. 3 down, top wick, and then down. Let me try find an example of this. Something like this right here, or like this. Guys, the market works in cycles. The markets work with 80-90% algorithms. The algorithms are literally just repeating the same move. Obviously, there's variances to it. For example, the way this opened, we could pretty easily acknowledge that NFP was going to go bearish. On this 5 minute, I mean, I even drew it out. We can. That was pretty legendary. This is overall a legendary stream. Um, mine was NFP. It must have been around here. I don't know what I'm saying. Down. Yeah. Okay, it's right over here. Guys, we drew out candle exactly how it happened. Price was moving up. If I look stupid if I don't do it. In my mind, I drawn it up. No, I swear I did, no? At some point I said, I definitely said it. Get it in. Anyway, not perfect yet. We're back to 2 viewers, 2 loyal viewers. We have a like here. Thank you, Jonas. He's our first follower. Guys, we have 1 follower. If you don't know us, go follow us on Twitter. I'm gonna try to do a couple of posts of these a day. I do them more for myself. I'm intrigued by these markets, everything to do with the markets. It helps me learn and retain the information when I write it down, and I might as well give it to the public. Okay, I've received photo proof that we did have 7 viewers. To be honest, it's probably kind of sad because the only reason we probably had more viewers is because people were lost in NFP and then first stream guidance. That's exactly what I used to. Hopefully, maybe we were able to give them some guidance. 10 minutes here to NYSC Open. If you just join the live, my name's Don Didi. Didi's my name. We stream every single day at 4. No, speaking gibberish at this point. Yeah, okay, we lost 2. Damn. This is why I don't want to promote this channel too much yet, because I don't need some practice, you know.
Yeah, next time I would advise you not to take 10 minutes of your stream to search back to see if you did or did not draw something out. I would call that lost time.
Nah, we have
You
nothing else to do right now anyway.
You can just draw it out again what you saw and that people can scroll back, but for you to go scroll back makes little sense during the moment.
Okay. I just did that because I've seen other streamers do it. Thank you, Jonas, for coming. Guys, these are the trades we've taken this week on a lot of break evens, losses managed. Wow, I'm so happy at the turnout of the stream. Okay, if price is moving down before NYSC, that's not necessarily what you want to see, because you would want to see it retrace the most possible. Maybe it's retraced enough. Probably retrace 50 pips or so. Oh, 150. Price is moving. Is this really 150 pips? And we caught 8? I mean, the peak we were at was like, did we end? We entered at 7 after spreads. It's 7.7. Yeah, the peak was like 15 pips, and we got lows most
Shout
were.
out to Coco if you're still there, Coco.
Shout out to Coco. Thank you for coming to the stream. I kind of enjoy that everyone has Sotos, like online name. That's Coco's real name. You are gonna be kicked out of the Zoom in 5 minutes. That's, we said we're gonna use the
Why don't
money.
you use some of those wins from today also to get either another application that does this? Well, you can even do this on Discord now.
We did say we're gonna use the wins of today to get Zoom. It's just I don't know my password and all this, so as you saw before, I was trying to do it, but oh no, now it's saying it wants my tax number.
Coco's back. We love you, Coco. Thanks for showing up, Coco.
Guys, we have NYSC here in 5 minutes. We are expecting more sells. If we get another closure below here, we can take some sells below here. Took an amazing win before on the stream, right here on the opening of the new 4-hour candle. This could just be the top wick, and then we start driving lower. Wow, this is just amazing support we're getting here. We did the top wick here, what we can expect to see on the next candle, something like this, and move further down. It is also Friday. Maybe news will stagnate a bit, and then Monday we'll see it continue. At the moment, nothing's really happening. We have NYSC opening in 3 minutes here. DJ is also looking pretty nice. You guys have any charts, any symbols you want me to check out? With pleasure. Okay, 3 minutes here left. For me, I'm probably going to be done for the week. We had a nice trading. If you took every single trade I took on stream, you would have made a couple percent win. If you took a loss this week, that's no problem. Markets will be here forever. Back next. Okay, so if we can get something like this on the new 30-minute candle for NYSE, we come create the top wick, and then we move down. I would be willing to take the sells when we start flipping bearish. I do need to see a decent top wick. But that is something I'm looking at. Okay guys, 2 minutes left here. You can see the dollar is also stagnating a bit. I don't know. We can check EU. I guess a lot of people trade EU. Looking pretty identical to gold. Yeah, literally identical. The same thing could happen, and then I'll take the sub low. I don't trade EU. I mean EU, ESG, exact same. 5 viewers. This is beautiful. It was our previous record, 5 viewers today. We managed to reach 7. Thank you to all 5 people that are here. If we manage to hit 10 subscribers by the end of the week, whatever you guys want. We need one more subscriber. You'll get your name popped up on the screen. I'll do 10 push-ups for the 10th subscriber. Guys, we also do every day. We do the amount of push-ups that we lose in pips. If I lose 20 pips, I'll do 20 push-ups. Okay, 30 seconds here. We remember what we're looking for, but if we take more cells here, I need to see a top wick. A pretty good one. Like somewhere up in the. This is pretty nice, the retracement. You can see price is trying to go down. But the NYSC, you know, they're trying to bring it up. They're going to bring it up to here. And drop it. Guys, we've seen this move go a bit higher. Guys, we're staying patient here. We already took a win. I'm in no stress to take another trade. Even though the win was small, so I do want to take. I do think quite a bit more. This is looking good. Looking very good, even. Okay, okay. Let's see how much this top wick is. And we might be able to take some stills. Yeah, 17 pips is pretty juicy. We can always take the cells at the break of this low. Put a cell stop here. 1701. And then 17. Okay, it looks like we're about to get activated. Close. Tops are right here. Okay, we're in. 4 pips. Ooh, there you go, 10 pips. Stops to break even. And that's the volume you wanted. Guys, stops are break even. This should keep moving a bit more. 50 pips. Guys, we secured 12 pips here. Move stops to break even. It's a nice move. Price should keep going. Once we reach these lows around here, we'll look to close another 10%. We have 2 lots running right here. Guys, another trade, another win. Let's go, man. Yeah, I'm aware at 30. Oh, there we go. Top. Guys, another 10 pips. Beautiful day to be alive. Beautiful day to be on this stream. Wow. They could not get wow. Uh, Guys, yesterday I spent literally 2 hours trying to look how to make it nicer. I think I have to do some stuff in Photoshop or whatever. That's gonna be a bit more complicated. Yeah, 9.5 pips. Guys, these are small moves. I mean, we do not catch only 4, I mean 9, 10 pips. We do usually catch 15, 20, 30. Uh, can't really do anything. Yeah, 35 past. Yeah, this should, I mean, this should keep driving down. There's less volume than I expected, but this should keep driving down. Guys, that was a beautiful trade. I don't think anyone took it with me, but if you did, guys, 3 trades today. The first one was on the initial push. We got slipped by like 50 pips, so we closed that instantly. And 2 wins. They're smaller wins, but a win is a win. And good risk management on both of them. You know, in this one, um, where was my initial stop loss? The entrance was break of the lows was here. Yeah, so this would have hit our stop, guys. So both trades would have ended up hitting our loss. So we did manage to avoid 2 losses by moving quickly to break even. This 30, this if this 15-minute candle closes somewhere around here, below this range and around here, the next one, 100% sure it's gonna, and that could finally be the bigger move that we're trying to get. We're staying patient. That's probably gonna be it today. I'm eager to take more trades. Sitting on my hand. It was a perfect example of why I wait for candle closures. Different moves happen at different times. We're expecting the retracement um for NYSE, which it did. Then it opened down and it seems like, I mean, the bearish move was quickly corrected, so now maybe they want even better price, 1710, 17.8, and after that they'll back down. You, Jonas. Much love. Coco, we love you. Guys, let us know if you trade, if you're here just for the fun of it. If you have any questions, we're still looking for a 10th subscriber today. Ask your girlfriend, ask anyone. Oh my god, we did get 10 subscribers. Did it come up on the screen? Has it? Guys, it did not come up on the screen. Whoever you are who subscribed, that is just beautiful. Maybe you just subscribed, so it's gonna come out. But whoever did that, that is beautiful. We have 3 likes. Guys, we took 2 winning trades. You can see on the top end side of my screen. Be right up here. Took two winning trades. What a beautiful day. If this 15-minute closes below around here, there's only one direction price is going to go, and that is down. Going to retest at least this zone, if not further. Look at the 4 hours. If this 4 hour flips, we've drawn it out and we're going to draw it out again. If this 4 hour flips, you have the top wick, and then you just push down. There's literally nowhere else. Aha. And we know the markets are designed to fool you. So maybe we'll get fooled. Guys, they say 10, 20, 30% of traders make money every day. We made money on the stream today. Took two winning trades. We can maybe I'll do a breakdown after the trades. But the first one was here as news. Our entrance was like literally up here somewhere. We got slipped 40 pips, closed that instant. The second one was here. It was a 15-minute flip for the new 4 hour flip. Came down. We closed 80%, and then the 20% ended up hitting break even right here. Right here, the same thing. Price came down. We secured 12 pips, and the runner just came to break even. So they are pretty small trades, smaller than what we're used to, but a win is a win. Happy days. They say happy wife is a happy life. On this stream, we're gonna say happy trade. No, winning trade. No, happy. I don't know. I think it's something. Hey guys, I've copied this off another streamer. I'm gonna do a wordle. You guys know what word? He says he loses stream viewers whenever he does it. So if we start losing viewers, this is pretty embarrassing for me to do this because my English is trade uh daily candle. Hey, they uh, the lolly, the baby. You guys know the word the baby. Da XX what? Tacky, Dabby, Daddy. But then we guys, if you have suggestions, put it in the comments. We're just waiting for this 15-minute candle close, which closing bullish, so we're gonna have nothing. And I'm probably done for the day anyways. We just passed 2 hours streaming. Thank you for everyone who came. This day is gonna go down in the records. Records. Dan, Dan, Dammy, Daddy. I'm gonna try this. Chee! Dapply. They. I'm just gonna put every letter because maybe an H. Dandy. Guys, just like the trades, 100% win rate. Current streak is 2. We've managed to do them all. Dandy, I don't know. So it basically means me, guys, guy who's looking stylish and fashionable. Oh wow, 15-minute is close. Hey guys, we might get some more cells here. depending on how this 15, it could have a pretty small top wick at all, which meaning you could take on the break of the low. Oh yeah, 5 minute. Dollar. Okay, the dollar's starting to push up. There's a bottom wick. Need a bottom wick. Guys, this is definitely gonna retest the lows. We need a bottom wick. Guys, we already took 2 wins. I'm not eager to take another trade here. Only if the setup is perfect. I mean, you guys tell me where you think this candle's gonna go, but guys, as I already said, I already took 2 winning trades today. I'm not eager to take another trade. And if you're just joining now and you're seeing the low pips, you can go back and see why it's such low pips. Um, I mean, most of our positions got stopped at break even, and I put the the total lot size pips. For example, even if we got 20 on the first one, on half, and then we close half, and then the other half goes to break even, total pips that counts as 10, right? Okay, guys, this is reminding me. I mean, when a candle closes strong, like in the last minute, we often see a retracement. It reminds me of yesterday. Exactly, yesterday, London. Oh yeah. This reminds me of this yesterday. 3:15, or even this. Okay, yeah, no, exactly this at 2:15. So it's pretty much the exact same time, guys. We said history often repeats itself. Don't tell me that this does not look like what's happening right now. Do not tell me that. Get this. Close, close, push up. Close, close, push up. But we're respecting highs. I just don't like how we broke the low first, and then this probably will play out. If gold's definitely pushing up. I mean, the dollar. The dollar did the opposite, right? It came to these highs, but then continued moving. Gold came. Okay, we're now flipping. Ooh, it's also the flip. I keep forgetting that it's 4 hour, the hourly. Yeah, I just did a mental decision that I'm done for the day. Staying a bit longer. Closing MT4, MT5. So we're done for the day, done for the week. Um, it was a pretty amazing week for us. Thank you if you joined at any point. Let's Let's see if we made the right decision to stay out of this. I just there's some things that I don't know how to explain, but I just don't like the way this is setting up. It came down. Uh, there's a high chance that we do come down. Can't believe we only got 9 pips. I mean, it wasn't really full. It would have. Yeah, this should keep going. 10 minutes the hour. Look, the hourly's flipping. 4 hours flipping. This only has one place to go, and that's down. We would have moved stuff to break even around. But let's see. Let's see. Guys, you know on the 5 minute when I like these types of candles and then create top wick, this is like the opposite. I feel like it could create the top wick and then bullish. Something like this. Creates the top wick. What it's reminding me of. And then once we I mean when we break if we break out of channel, if we break out of here, that's next. When we're moving down. Okay, so we decided to stay out of the trade. It would have ended up playing out. Let's see. 15 with spreads, yeah. Just as long as the idea is right, it's not like we're saying, oh, let's take buys. Guys, we managed to get 70. Crazy, crazy. Oh, we did say 10 push-ups for 10 viewers, but now there's no more viewers watching me. Okay, when someone gives me sign of life, I will do. When someone shows me sign of life, I will do the 10 push-ups, I promise. I need to know that someone's watching me. Guys, you can look back at Wednesday's stream. We did 25 push-ups for 20. As soon as I see a comment, I'm gonna go do push-ups. Want to see me do push-ups? Just let me know you're here. Iman. GG. Guys, 2 wins on stream. 2 wins. How beautiful. How beautiful is that? 7 viewers. 2 wins. 10 subscribers. Tell me what more I could have. Don't. Nothing. Nothing. I mean, you're in the exact same position in the last 15 minutes. If you close bearish here, know where you're going next. Anyone? I see there's people in the live shit. Just tell me you're here, and I'll do push-ups. I said I would do 10 push-ups for 10 viewers. Well, actually, even if I get more followers now, I'll do more push-ups. If I get enough people in, or even double the amount of push-ups for you. Okay, we have 4 people. If someone, all I need is one comment in the chat, and then I'll do the push-ups. We said we were doing push-ups for 10, reaching 10 subscribers. Guys, if you just joined here for your first time, we took 2 beautiful wins today. Yesterday we took a win. Wednesday we took 2 losses and then 1 win that made up for everything. So we've been on here 3 days and 3 winning sessions. We do acknowledge that price could keep coming down here, but with this, or when I say we, guys, it's always me. I've decided I'm done for the day. Leave a comment. Leave a comment if you want to see me do push-ups. Guys, if you subscribe and I refresh and I see a new subscriber, I'll do even more push-ups. We had a nice gym session this morning. Did some back's feeling good, feeling big, feeling strong, feeling like it can keep me upright. Guys, I cannot wait for it to be the weekend. Go celebrate, have some family in town. I'll go watch Chelsea tomorrow. We were at the game Wednesday. Beautiful game against AC Milan. Beautiful game. 3-0. Guys, can't see, we win against the markets. We win against our opponents. We are against our previous viewing records. Winning, winning, winning. And now I'm just waiting to do push-ups. I just need that one comment. One comment. Guys, I see there's people in the live. Just leave a comment on push-ups. Leave a comment, man. Okay, we have the hourly closure here. It's 2 minutes. Closing bullish. If we start breaking above this zone, let me do a fresh analysis. Fresco, fresco. So price, let me see what the news broke below the zone. We retested it perfectly and rejected. What happens when you reject the zone? You go to the next one. Put the zone here. We did a break, a retest, and what happens next? Continuation. Let's do our little diagram that we like to do. Thingy waves. Price down. Came up. Now it's coming down. Came back up the second time, and then what does it do? Creates the fifth leg. Easy stuff. And then on the 30 minutes, we have this perfect, beautiful support here. This is the hourly. Sells below. It matches on the 30 minutes. 15-minute too. If you break below here, you are gonna get a retest of the wick. 50 pips away. For the moment, we're just ranging, but I thought this was gonna close pretty bullish, but we're retracing here a bit. Looking much nicer. If this 15-minute closes bearish, the next one, draw it out one last time, guys. I know I keep saying one last time, but this is actually the last time. Oh yeah, okay. The way this is closing, if you get something like this, This candle here will have nowhere else to go but to come here. Nowhere else. And although that looks like a small range, let's check it out. This would be a 40 pip range. Guys, look at it on the 30-minute, look at it on the hourly. What more do you want me to say? Okay, I'm gonna have to be done here. Oh, I just remembered I had to go somewhere. We had 7 effing viewers on the stream. There it is, guys. If you haven't taken a trade today, this could be your opportunity. I'm done for the day. We took 2 wins, but I am extremely well conscious that this will probably play out. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Guys, look on the hourly. Break this low for a second time. I would be extremely shocked if you could have. I'm gonna have to go here any minute. I have my life to get on with. I'm done with the trades. Guys, we wrote an article, or not an article, we posted some tweets this morning stating why the dollar, oil pushing bullish and why it's probably going to keep pushing bullish. I mean, look at this break on the break out of this zone. Where it's going to go? One place to go. Level. Get it on the weekly. Back next week. Oh, boy. Boom. Bam. Bitty boom. Ow. Know some guys, Twitter, Instagram, elite mentality trading for everywhere. 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 Guys, let's go check out my. The price of oil has had a strong bounce this week. This was further pushed on Wednesday when OPEC Plus announced it was going to cut supply by 2 million barrels a day. We can see it's the first week of March. So Saudi could have Saudi Arabia's energy minister bin Salman has already stated that if investors started speculating on lower oil prices, he would fight back by cutting production, which is exactly what happened. US is not happy about this supply cut, which is exactly at once. When oil prices surged earlier this year and the US decided to use its SPR, Strategic Petroleum Reserves, they increased oil supply, thus lowering the price of oil overall, meaning less revenue for Saudi considering oil makes up 40% of GDP they were not happy about. Saudi could have retaliated by cutting their supply when the US increased the supply, from their reserves, lower the prices. Saudi could have just cut their supply and then overall supply would have stayed the same. Instead, but they strategically decided to wait. So when? Till now. As the US reserves are slowly depleting and winter is coming, demand is going to rise. Saudi cutting supply will now create a surge in prices. The mixture of immense buying by the US to replenish its SPR, cuts in the oil supply, and the fall of dollar. I would not be surprised to see crude oil prices shoot back up to $100 per barrel. Guys, the more we read about the markets, the more we understand the markets. So I dare someone in the chat to tell me right now that's not beautiful. We have a fucking comment. Guys, we're doing some push ups. First, we say, guys, break below here, we're going to push minimum. That was a pretty beautiful. Pretty. Okay, guys, let's see how many subscribers we have. We have 11 subscribers. And this day just keeps getting better and better. Okay. There it is, guys. I want to. Oh, sorry, guys. I want to give a special thank you to all the new viewers today, all the recurring viewers. The viewer of the week goes to Jonas. I don't think he's in. Thank you, Jonas. Guys, we took 2 winning trades. We called out even more trades. This one you could have taken on the break of the low, 30 pips. Could have taken on this low. We said if it breaks the previous low, it's gonna break at least the 10. Okay, so I don't understand how the feed works because technically speaking, followers should have come up. Maybe they did. I don't think they did. If they did, you guys, again, okay, this is actually the last time. If this closes bearish, there's nowhere else for price to go than close. Nowhere else. Probability of it rejecting coming back up. I mean, there always is a probability, but based on this. Okay, I'm gonna try to find this exact move. Hello. Retraces. What do you see here? Price makes a low, retraces, small 15-minute candles, and then boom. Guys, The exact same move. Does the low, a nice strong bullish candle which is slowly corrected, and boom. Nice strong bullish candle which is slowly corrected, and then boom. I think it's time for time for the okay, I'm gonna head out here. Been on live for 2.5 hours. We've made 2 trades. That's one trade every hour quarter. This probably would have been our nicest. I would have taken if I hadn't taken 2 trades. I would have 1,000. We have 11 subscribers. The goal of the year is to get goal of the year is to get thousands. This stream has been amazing. Just amazing. Guys, once we start getting 20, 30, 40, 50 viewers, we're gonna start doing giveaways, daily giveaways, weekly bigger giveaways, whatever you guys want. But we'll do it. Do it, guys. We're here to take over this fucking industry. All making a buck. Okay, guys. I salute. Proud. I salute everyone. Mucho gracias. I'm joking, I don't speak Spanish. Possiamo parlare italiano, si vuole. Grazie a tutti. Vediamo lunedì. Thank you to everyone. I will see you on Monday, day 12:30. We'll be back fresh, energized, hopefully. Hopefully as energized as today. Ooh! Gorilla. Maybe we'll be called Gorilla Traders. Who knows, who knows? No, I don't feel like gorillas know how to trade. Maybe they do. Maybe we are gorillas. Guys, what's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is I like wolves, like predators. The sun is shining. Okay. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, no, on a serious note, I'm gonna leave here. If this 15-minute closes below this range, I tell you, there's a high chance that we come and fill this wick. Very high chance. You can use current candle stops for 30 pips, or you can wait for the next 15 minutes for it. We'll have to see, but that's. Look at it one more time. Price makes a low, one strong bullish candle, and then price makes a low again. Okay. Oh, gonna do like the Liver King, elite mentality out. So I was watching I don't know, clip of him and saying, just repeat your name 100 times and people remember. Whenever he speaks, you always, and it's true, you always hear him say, "Liver is king, liver is king." None of, uh, trading is king. Elite mentality, don't duty. Elite mentality trading. Mentality trading. Follow. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.